How to edit your Facebook Reels after posting. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to edit your Reels after you have posted it on Facebook. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Facebook app. And first of all, let's add a Reel to our Facebook. To do that, simply tap onto your profile, tap onto your name, and tap on Reels. You tap on Create Reels. Now refresh your page, and once you see the post that you have just posted, tap open it. So this is the reel right here. To edit this, tap on three-dot icon and tap on Edit Reel. Just like so, this is how you can edit your reel. Once done, tap on to save. And then you're good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.